noise and furious anger can be useful for drawing attention to problems that are being ignored. And sometimes getting what you want means that a powerful group, such as shareholders, defense contractors, or labor unions, lose something they want. Once you have their attention, it's important to be prepared to state your demands. Many important activist groups have spent all of their efforts on gaining attention without a clear objective, so that once people are finally listening, the activists have very few solutions or ideas to share. One activist group that was successful was ACT UP, or the AIDS Coalition to Unleash Power. They were obnoxious and rude. They were able to shut down the FDA for a day. They stretched a giant condom over Senator Jesse Helms' house, and they annoyed politicians. And when the world finally listened, they had a clear goal and constructive ideas about how the government could do better to manage and treat the AIDS epidemic. Their input changed how America dealt with the AIDS crisis, and even the annoyed politicians later admitted that the ACT UP group had some great ideas. So, if you want to make a social change, then here's a quick overview of what you need to do. Number 1, get involved. You can volunteer time, energy, and resources. Also determine your motivation. Is it outrage, success, or a personal gain? Keep that motivation in the back of your mind to propel you forward when the going gets tough. Number 2, understand the problem. Ask questions like, who wins? Who loses? What are the root causes? And what are the potential solutions? Number 3, plan when and how to act in order to persuade your targets. Take time to identify research and data that supports and opposes your arguments. Number 4, be sure to utilize the power of the internet and social media. But remember that technology can help or hinder your movement, so be strategic and intentional on social media. A few problems to consider are, posts that lack clarity can be misinterpreted, or your digital platform and voice can become buried in all the web content. Social change takes a lot of effort, and sometimes the activists will look obnoxious and unruly, but sometimes that's the only way to turn heads.